How to use NGL app and send anonymous messages with Instagram. First step is to open the application. If you don't have NGL account yet, you have to type in your Instagram username. Click on Done, and now we have our NGL link. Click on Copy Link, and then click on Share on the bottom part of the screen. It will show you the instructions you need to do. So click on the sticker button, click on Link, paste your link, and then position your sticker. Now click on the Share on Instagram and do the steps instructed earlier. After doing this, if we check our inbox on NGL, it is now empty. So I will use my other account to send anonymous messages. Type in your message and click on Send. Now let's go back to NGL app. Go to the inbox page, click on Envelope, and now you can see that we have anonymous message. So that is how you use NGL app and send anonymous messages using Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.